Are you having trouble hearing phone calls clearly on your Android device? Whether the volume is too low or the sound isn't loud enough, there are ways to increase call volume and improve clarity. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to boost call volume on Android, plus a hidden trick to make voices sound even clearer. Let's get started. If your call volume is too low, the first thing to check is your physical volume buttons. Let's make a call. During a call, press the volume up button on the side of your phone to increase the sound level. This is the simplest way to adjust call volume, but if the sound is still not loud enough, there are additional settings you can tweak. You see now that I pressed the volume button and the audio has increased. You can press it more than once to reach the maximum volume. You see that a window has appeared on the right of the phone. You can tap on the three dots, and you will see the full settings for the phone audio. If you played with these settings and you still don't hear, you might have some problems with your phone. To simply try another way to listen to the call, just tap on the speaker icon. Before this, please take your phone out of the ear because it will be very loud. After we ended the call, to further improve call volume, open the Settings app and look for the section labeled Sound and Vibration, or simply Sound. Inside this menu, you'll find an option for call volume or in-call volume. Adjust the slider to the highest level to ensure your calls are as loud as possible. If you're still having difficulty hearing the caller, check if hearing enhancement options are available on your phone. Some Android devices have an accessibility or hearing section in the settings menu where you can enable features like hearing aid compatibility or sound amplification, which boost the clarity of voice calls. You see, I have an option for adaptive sound. This will adjust the volume based on the sound near you. You can enable this option. Another reason call volume might be low is noise reduction settings that automatically adjust audio levels. Some Android devices have a noise suppression or clear calling feature in this menu. While this is meant to reduce background noise, it can sometimes make voices sound quieter. Try disabling noise reduction and see if it improves call volume. If you're using a Bluetooth headset or wired headphones, check their volume separately. Some headsets have their own volume controls that operate independently from your phone's settings. Additionally, if you often take calls using a Bluetooth device, make sure the Bluetooth volume sync is enabled in the Developer Options menu to ensure your headset volume matches your phone's maximum output. If none of these solutions work, the problem could be caused by dust or dirt blocking your phone's earpiece speaker. Use a soft brush or compressed air to gently clean the speaker grill, making sure there is no debris preventing sound from coming through clearly. If your phone still has low call volume, consider checking for software updates, as manufacturers sometimes release fixes for volume-related issues. In cases where volume issues persist, the problem may be hardware-related. If you've tried all software solutions and still experience low call volume, consider taking your phone to a repair center to have the earpiece or speaker checked for damage. Increasing call volume on Android is easy with the right settings and adjustments. Whether you use volume buttons, sound settings, accessibility features, or third-party apps, these methods will help you hear calls more clearly and make conversations easier. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Android tips and tricks. See you in the next one.